So you want to add a vintage filter to our images. Maybe it's a photo of our old house, your old motorcycle, or maybe you just like the aesthetic of it. So today I'll show you how you can quickly and instantly do that and much more with Pixelied. Pixelied is a web-based design tool that has all the answers to your design needs. So to get to our editor, type in pixelied.com/upload, and here we are. Now to upload your own image to the editor, you can either click on this button and select an image from your storage, or you can just drag and drop like this. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelides editor. Now to add the vintage filter to this image, all you have to do is to select this image and click on this button which says image effects and filters. Go over to the filters tab and you can see a bunch of filters here. Now select the vintage filter from here, and you can see inarguably this makes our photo looks much better. Now moreover, I want to add a text to this image. Now go over to this text tab, add a headline, or you can choose from these really cool text styles from down here. So as you can see, it's a fairly endless library and you can find almost anything you need that will fit perfectly with your graphic. So let's say I want this one. Okay, so I'll just click on this and it will appear on my artboard. Now I'll resize it like this and place it over here. Now I don't need this line, so I'll just select it and click on the delete key or the backspace key to delete it. Now I'll select this and type in vintage. Now to change its color, you can click over here and select from different colors. I want white, and it's done. Now all that is left for us to do is to download this image. So go over to this download button, select a format. You can choose from these. Let's say I'm going to stick with JPG and click on download again, and our image has downloaded. So this is how it looks. Alright, so we saw how easy it is to upload our images to the Pixelides editor, add a filter to it, and then even add a text to it. And that's the thing about Pixelide. You can do almost everything just as easily. So go ahead to pixelide.com/upload, upload our images and make some vintage effect to them. Also, subscribe and hit the bell icon because Pixelide has a lot for you in store.